Hi, Josh Brattle here, and Merry Christmas on this What the Heck Just Happened episode as we get closer to the holidays. And yes, I am wearing my Hawaiian Christmas wear. I guess it's ugly sweater day at our office, and this is as close to a sweater as I have for this. But do you ever notice how markets get jumpy after big news? And last week was a perfect example. It actually tells us a lot about where things may be headed and how this end of 2025 may be a microcosm of the year as a whole. So let's take a look back at what just happened and excuse this beautiful shirt that I got going on here. Markets got shaky right after the rate cut. This was the third and final rate cut of 2025. Markets got a little bit wobbly, but good news followed up quickly thereafter where inflation came in significantly lower than they expected. Inflation was expected to hold around 3.1% year over year. With the announcement that came in last week at 2.7%, that kind of calmed and eased everyone's nerves. The big news still, though, was inflation and everything being squeezed at the grocery store. Since 2021 through 2024, people saw about a 24% increase in prices that they spend on a daily basis, but we didn't see the corresponding wage growth with it. So when prices are rising way faster than the money that's coming in the door, that makes people feel a little bit cranky, and understandably so. Now, let's look forward as what does this mean, because there's a couple ways that we get out of this. One is we get out of it with a recession. Nobody wants that. But the other way is we get out of it with economic growth. And with the growth of the economy and with wages growing faster than prices, we can hopefully get everyone back on a good footing. And now, as far as the end of the year, we expect actually the next couple of weeks to see some of the same turmoil that we saw throughout all of 2025. But like we always said, now is not a time to get emotional, even though the holidays could make us a little bit emotional. Now is not a time to get emotional. It's to stick to the plans that you are really, you should have in place. Now, one more big headline that we're waiting on to come out this week, actually it came out this morning, was the growth of the GDP report. And the consensus was that we were going to see about 3.5% growth. The news I saw this morning actually came in at 4.1%, which is a huge increase over what was expected. So that should really calm market nerves going into the end of the year. I'm on vacation next week, so you won't get a what the heck just happened for me, but I look forward to talking to you in the new year. So for me and everyone here at FSR, I wish you a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and we'll see you next year.